If you're restoring a 1981 to 1984 turbo diesel, you may run into a problem with your breather tube. This is not the original breather tube here. This is an aftermarket one that we used to sell years ago. We've sold thousands of these, but they're no longer produced. They were a good alternative to the original. And you may have an original that's broken or the rubber's shot. And you're thinking, where do I get a replacement? Well, recently I've been able to source a number of different parts from a number of different manufacturers to come up with an original replacement. This has the plastic tube with the original style insulation on it here. And this one goes on like this, okay? And if you look right over here, there's a flat spot where you can zip tie this in place to keep it from shaking all over the place. I'm not going to install this because it's brand new. Here you can see a picture of it installed in a 300 TD wagon. And in this kit, I'm going to even include a clamp because I feel you're going to need a clamp here, and a zip tie, which will allow you to zip tie this section right here underneath this bracket connected to the Bowden cable support. So this is a great alternative, particularly if you want something new and you want to get back to the original look in your old turbo diesel.